Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add internal page links in your Canva project. So here I am in my project in Canva. So this is a minimalist journal planner. And in order to create your own internal page list, let's go up to the first page and we will input or we will insert like a tab management system right here on the right side of the screen, or it depends on where you want it. Maybe you want it on the top, on the left, or on the bottom. It's up to you, but I'll just make the tab management system here on the right side of the screen. So first we need to take note of the total pages of our project. So this project has 14 pages, so we'll make the tab management system into 14 pages. And what we'll do, let's go up here to elements and let's search for some icons, or maybe you can go to shapes and then go to shapes and then choose a shape that you want. For example, I want to choose this shape for my tab management system. I'll just drag and drop it. Then I'll resize this like that. And then I'll move this one right here. And then I will make 14 copies of this. So I'll just proceed to copy and paste this shape right here. Like that. And another one. I'm using the arrow keys to move my shapes. And then this is 8 plus 7. Move it down like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's just remove the extra shape. And then there we have our tab management system. So we have 14 of these icons. And I'll also put a border beside it. I'll just make this into a different color. I'll choose red. And then we will change the other colors of the tab. So I guess I'll choose white. And then we will move this border around our tabs. So we'll just layer this to the back and then adjust the size. And let's make sure again. We have 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I have an extra one right here. I just delete this. And then there we have our tab management system. And in order to link your tab system into other pages, so what we'll do is let's click all of these icons one by one. For example, I'll choose the second one. Just click on the 3 dots right here that says more, and then go to link. And then from this, when you're clicking the link option, you will be shown that your document has different pages. So we will just click these pages one by one. For example, for the second page, we'll just click on it, then just click on done. And then now we have this second shape right here is linking to the second page. So we will see that in a little bit, but first we'll make all of them link to other pages. For example, I'm sorry, click again, click on the three dots, click on link, and then this one will be third page. And then we will do this for the other pages as well. Like that. Page 5. Page 6. So it will be page 7. Page 8. Page 9. And then page 10. Page 11. And then page 12. And then page 13. And then last one, page 14. I forgot also to link the first page right here. Oops, sorry. Just choose page 1. And then there we have our tab system. And then what we'll do is we will copy this into the other pages as well. So in order to do that, let's just select all of the elements right here. Let's group them. And then once we have already grouped these elements right here, you can just copy, go to the second page, and then click on paste. Let's just allow this. And then there we have our tab management system. And then what you can do is you will change the color of the tabs. For example, this one, we'll change it back to white. And then we will turn on the second shape into red. And then we will just proceed to do this one by one for all the pages. And don't worry about the placement, since when you copy and paste the element, it will be automatically placed where you first, or like where the first page, like here on the first page, we have our tab system right here. So when I paste the tab system into another page, it also has been pasted on the same place of the page. This one is going back. This one is page 6. 6. And then page 7. And then for the last page, we have this one. Then now that we're done adding the tab system into the other pages, we'll now proceed to download our design. So we'll just click on share, click on download, and choose PDF, and then again click on download. So we'll just wait for the file to download. Then once we're done, you can just click on the file, and then there we have our design or our document. So we already have the tab system right here, and it will be clickable. For example, I click on page 2, so it brings me back to page 2. I click on page 1, it brings me back to page 1. Click on page 3, page 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And there you have our internal page links in our Canva document. So I hope you learned how to do it on your own Canva document. And this is it for this video. And thank you for watching.